Del City offers a variety of ratcheting crimping tools designed to fit your specific application. Today, we'll show you how to use a ratcheting crimper. This type of crimping tool applies consistent pressure throughout the crimping process, helping create a strong, reliable electrical connection every time. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at the tool. Ratcheting crimpers feature a locking mechanism that won't release until the crimp is fully complete, along with interchangeable jaws sized for different wire gauges. For this demonstration, we are using an Ancor straight double crimp ratcheting tool with a NSPA long neck heat shrink ring terminal for 16 to 14 gauge wire. Now, let's get started. First, strip your wire to the correct length. To do this, align the terminal with the wire and mark the cut so the stripped wire fits completely inside the terminal. Once the wire is prepared, insert the terminal into the correct jaw size for your wire gauge. Squeeze the handles until the ratchet releases. This ensures the crimp is fully completed and securely set. This terminal includes heat shrink tubing to help protect the connection from corrosion and to extend its lifespan. Use a hot air tool to apply heat until the tubing fully shrinks around the terminal. And that's all it takes to create a dependable electrical connection. For more tools and supplies, visit delcity.net, your one-stop sourcing partner for electrical and transportation parts.